Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Happy Friday, happy weekend. It feels good for this week to be out of the way. I was able to end the day green today, just about $900, and today marked the day that I started my transition into Interactive Brokers. I do want to give a quick shout out to Matt Diamond, another YouTuber that trades options live on YouTube, similar to my content, and he's been using Interactive Brokers, and after watching his videos and seeing how seamless his entries and exits are, he was definitely one of the main reasons why I decided to go through with Interactive Brokers. There was a lot of troubles with TD Ameritrade last week, which really upset me. I did lose some money because of it, so this was the perfect time to go ahead and transition. Now, let me tell you, my experience today with Interactive Brokers was fantastic. My entries were great, getting in and out without absolutely no problems, so I'm extremely happy with the first day. Plus, it was a green day, which makes it even better. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my new trading setup, how I'll be using Interactive Brokers with the TD Ameritrade charts, because I still do enjoy those charts. I'll show you how I have it set up on my screen, and then we'll quickly go through how I built my setup in Interactive Brokers. Making these daily uploads for you guys out there that are watching is definitely a grind, and you guys liking the video will mean a lot to me. So if you could, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for some future videos, and press the bell notification so you know every single time that I post on this channel. So guys, it's Friday. I want to get out of here and enjoy my weekend. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and waste absolutely no time. So on the left side here, you probably can tell this looks a little bit different. This is Interactive Brokers. This is their platform. And this is sort of how I have it set up right now. On the right side, I'm still looking at the TD Ameritrade charts. I usually have 6 up, but for the purpose of this video, to make sure it looks good on YouTube, I have 4 charts here. On the screen, I can fit a lot more, but I don't like to focus on too much at a single time. So here's 4 charts that I'll be looking at intraday while I'm trading. When I do my live trades next week, this is how it will look. Here on the left side is Interactive Brokers. So let's just go ahead and go from top down and walk through what I have here. On the top left, I have the level 2. So anything that I want to look at, I have the level 2 here. Right now it's on Apple. On the right side, I have the tape or the time in sales that I'll be watching throughout my trading. If I want to change those two, all I have to do is I have to press on one of these watch lists on the bottom right. So let's say I want to look at Microsoft's level 2 and Microsoft's tape. I can go ahead and press on this, and you'll see that those will change just from that click of a button. Now, the way I have it linked is it's not changing the options chain or the order entry screen. And I'll go through how I have that linked. So this bottom right watch list is just for the tape and the level 2. If you guys have a better way of doing this with some of the linking, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. But I found this as a pretty decent setup. Now, for the level 2 or for the options chain and the order entry screen, what you will see is that if I want to trade, let's say a Tesla call, let's say I'm looking at Tesla here on the screen. So I'm pulling up Tesla. I'm looking to get into a call. Let's say I'm looking for this 850 break back here. What I'll do, I'll press Tesla. It'll pop up my level or the options chain here. And then after the options chain is loaded, it doesn't usually take that long, so it might just be an after hours issue. All I have to do is I have to press on the ask. And if I press on that 850 call, it'll automatically get loaded into my order entry screen. So pressing on 850, you'll see that now the 850 calls are loaded in that order screen. So if I want to go to the 852s or the 855s, whatever I press on here, it will be added into that order screen. And then at that point, all I need to do is choose my quantity. Let's say I want to trade 10 contracts, and I press buy. I have it set to market. That's what Matt does. You know, I saw he has some great entries and exits. Doesn't have much problem with slippage. So I did try the market orders out today, and I did have no problems with it. So if I want to trade the 845s, press on the ask size. This is just letting me know that I'm navigating away from the 855. Let me go ahead and press that once again, and there you go. 845s are loaded. All I have to do is press buy. So extremely quick. Let's test this speed out. So Microsoft, if I want to look at Microsoft, press on Microsoft, look at the options chain. Let's say I want to go one strike out of the money, the 242.50s, press that, and I'm ready to go, ready to buy that option. So extremely quick. That's sort of how I have it linked. Now on the bottom here, when you go ahead and you buy something, it'll pop up as an order, and on the bottom of that, you will see when you get in. So here are some of the trades I made today. I did trade a lot of companies of about $885, but most of these trades were relatively small. What I was doing today, I was really focusing in on trying to test out the platform. So I was taking a little bit more trades than I'm usually comfortable with, but I really wanted to sort of dive into this, stress test it, see if I enjoy the platform, and I definitely can say that I did. So this is how I have mine set up. This is sort of my platform. Now what we'll do is I'll go ahead and make this left side blank. So for any of you out there, if you want to see how I built this, well, let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, so now we have a completely blank Interactive Brokers here on the left side. The first thing you're gonna wanna do if you wanna build this is you wanna unlock it here. So this little lock button up here, you wanna unlock it, which gets you into an edit mode. Then you can go ahead and start building. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is press on New Window. When you press on New Window, here are all the different options that you can do. So first, let's go ahead and add the time and sales on the top left or the top right. So we have the time and sales. Let's go ahead and pull that up. And let's just go ahead. The new view requires more horizontal space. Let's just go ahead and automatically, or I'll resize myself. So right here, we can go ahead and move this over to the right side. There's my time and sales. Now, let's go ahead and pull up the level 2. So the level 2 is right here, market depth. Now we have the level 2 there for Microsoft. Below that, I want to do the options chain. So here's the options chain. We can go ahead and click and drag and move that here for the options chain. Let's say you want to pull it all the way to the right. So there is, you already have a nice setup there, extremely easy. Let's go ahead and pull up, the portfolio. So there's my portfolio. We can bring that down to the bottom left. Let's say we want to pull up a watch list. That's right here, watch list on the bottom right. And we can go ahead and shrink that so that it sort of fits into this screen. So you guys can see, extremely easy. I just built this platform in, let's say, 30 seconds. All you have to do, go up to New Window, pick what you want to, how you want to set it up, and you have it all set up there. Really easy, really enjoy Interactive Brokers. This is how I'll be using it on YouTube moving forward with the live trades, pressing buy on this left side, watching the charts on the right side. So hopefully this helps you out. If you're interested in Interactive Brokers, reference this video. If you have any questions on it, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. So besides the trading platform, Interactive Brokers also has an app, which is good to monitor your positions, but I'm not going to be trading from it. And then this is the desktop window. So here's the desktop. You guys can see I started this account with $5,000. I'm up about 870 today. I think this is after commissions. I'm going to go ahead and move the $15,000 that's in TD Ameritrade. I'm going to move 10,000 of it into this account so we sort of get back to 15,000. And then I'll go ahead and profit the 5,000 that I made last month. So I get to enjoy that profit, put it in the savings account, save for a rainy day, whatnot. But here's how it looks. You guys can see this is the nice graph that they give you. Here's from today to whatever I made today. Here's my performance. So we'll be able to look at this graph over time and see how it does. You can pull up statements. You can see your portfolio positions. So really nice. I haven't gotten much into this, but it looks like you can add a scanner. You can add a watch list. I probably won't be spending much time on this screen, but here's how it looks. If you guys are interested, this is what it looks like. I like this graph a lot. This is nice to have so we can sort of judge the performance of this portfolio over time. So guys, there is the new Interactive Brokers setup. I did enjoy it today quite a bit, and I'm definitely going to use it moving forward. In all the live trades moving forward, you will see that Interactive Brokers screen on the left side. We'll be able to see how the performance in that account does, and I'm in the process of moving some money over so we get back to that $15,000 mark. If you have any questions on the platform, make sure to leave them down below. If you guys want to talk to me one-on-one, trade with me one-on-one, trade with me live every day over voice chat, make sure to check out the Discord chat. It's the first link in the description below. I know a lot of us took advantage of Penn and Zoom today, which was some great trades, so congratulations to everyone out there. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you enjoyed that quick Interactive Broker breakdown. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to press that like button for me. We just passed 19,000 subscribers, and the next goal is 20,000, so I hope we get there soon. Go out, enjoy your weekend, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.